Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing part 61, Payment Inner Joining Query PDF download in Laravel 12. Tuition classes in Laravel 12, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. YouTube channel is for sale $1199 plus $9199 for 1599815. This is anytime contact website related services. Let's start this video. First of all, my Jam server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP my admin, and this is the database name inside. This my project is a run. This localhost Laravel underscore 12. This is a successfully run, and this is inside this successfully working fine. And my command is already implemented, already installation. This is a command is a already installation Laravel DOM PDF. Please search this command and already available. This command is a my PC is a installation. This command is a installation disk inside. This command is a copy, and let's check. This is a DOM PDF command, and this command this directly inside. This is a installation already previous video. Please check this previous video. This directly inside this command is a installation. Please write down this command. Let's inside this join query is a implementation, and this is a student payment. This is a payment. Let's open this payment, click this payment. This is available ID, the student ID. This student ID is available student table. This one number is available student, and this is available student. This is a one number is a Zohan, and this is a successfully show. This is a Zohan, and this is a dynamic data is a show. This is a dynamic data. Let's step by step implementation. This is join query. First of all, inside this new button is a implementation. This is a join button. Let's open this is a this payment list. This same name copy open super admin. This is a payment, and this is a list in same name, and this is a button is available. This is a add payment. Let's same name copy and paste here, and this is a PDF is available. This is a file. This is icon is a sense. This is a PDF. Join PDF. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully join file PDF is available. Let's open. This is a student. Otherwise, this student is available. This student inside this open this student, and this is a list, and the same name is a file icon file PDF. This same name copy and paste here. Successfully paste, and this color is a primary color. Let's close this and save file. Working file primary color. Let's check this payment and working fine. This button is a working fine. The same name URL is a copy, and inside this is a paste here. This paste here. Join PDF. Save file and refresh this page. Working fine. This good working. This click this payment successfully working. Let's click this, and this successfully available super admin payment and join PDF. This is a good working. Let's route inside this web.open this web.php. Inside this payment controller is available. This payment controller. Let's inside this is a route get paste here, and this is a payment controller class, and this is the same name is a join PDF payment. Same name. Close this. Join PDF, and this is a P miss payment pay the small payment PDF. Save file. Let's copy this name, and this is a open this payment controller. Copy this payment controller open. This is a payment controller app HTTP controller, and this is payment controller. Let's new function is a create public function paste here, and inside this is again this is a echo hello die. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully available hello. Let's back button click this refresh this page, and this click this join PDF and working fine. This is a hello good working. This back button, again click this, and this step by step this join query is a implementation. Save file. Let's join query is already implementation, otherwise this is a payment. This table name is a payment table, and this is a model is already created previous. All this project is step by step first. This is a payment, and this is available payment table in the same name model. Inside this is already available. This is a payment model and this student model. The student model means this is a student ID is available. This student table, and this is a student model is available. The same name is a copy. This is a join query is a copy. Inside this already include, otherwise you step by step create this join query. I am already created this. Please check this project, otherwise lost of your mind out is not a clear. Please create this step by step successfully. This is a same name is a scroll down, and this payment model inside this is a paste here. Select paste here, and this is a return is a good, and successfully set, and this is a join query is a inside this is a remove, and this is a get. Save file. This is a close and successfully save file. Working fine. This is a payment and student name, and this is a join query is a implementation, and this is a step by step. Inside this is a implementation. $data get record, successfully get record. Inside this is $pdf is equal to pdf load view. Save file, and this is a $data is a pass here. This is a $data pass. Return $pdf download, and this is a successfully set. Same name copy pdf use pdf. Save file, pdf save file, and working fine. This pdf is a save file, and this $data pass here. This is a payment dot payment. Inside this is new create this pdf is a this is a student pdf. Let's change them. This is a inside this again this pdf, pdf, and this is a payment join. Save file. Let's same name copy. Inside this is a new file is a create new blade.php. Successfully create new blade.php, and inside this pdf download.pdf. Save file. Please step by step write down. This file is open. Inside this is a step by step implementation. This join query is a successfully implementation. Good working. This join query is a implementation. This is a same name is a control A copy, and this is a file inside this paste here, successfully paste, and this is a Laravel payment successfully payment, and this is a not use save file. Step by step forest loop is already implementation. This is a list file. Inside the same name is a copy table. This fully table is a copy. And inside this is a paste here. Fully table is a copy and paste here. Successfully paste. Extra is a all, empty is a not use. This remove, and this is a all, td is a remove not use. Save file, and this is a remove extra is a not use. This forest loop, and this is a table. Same name is a table as it is a all good. Please step by step write down. This is a join query is a successfully implementation. This is a list file. Action is a not use. This remove. Save file. All good. Please step by step write down. Let's same name copy, and inside this is already include this get record. Save file. Let's refresh this page and working fine. But any issue, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. We are here to help 24/7, WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always available. Lost of project is available. And this my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Let's refresh this page. Successfully refresh, and this is a one record is the same name is PDF download. Click this PDF. Please wait, download. Otherwise issue to not download. And this is a syntax error is available. This is a syntax error. Let's check. This is a syntax error is available. Let's this name is a remove, and this is a forest, and inside this is a end $end forest. Save file and paste here. Save file. Please check this forest, and the back button click this and refresh this page, and this check this, click this PDF, and 100% is a download. Please wait, this is a redone. Okay, successfully run PDF payment join. This is available Zohan 86, and this is a date and transfer, and not is a txt. Successfully set. This 3 number Zohan 87, this is the date and transfer, and cable this working fine, and this is the name is available payment join. Let's close this and let's check this payment join is a download name. Successfully this available payment join. Let's next is again one record is a implementation add, and this is a Mehul, and this is a number, payment amount, and this is a date, card, and this test not, and submit. Successfully 2 record is available. This is a payment inside this 2 record is available, and I refresh this page. This is a 3 number is a Mehul. Let's check this Mehul payment. Open this payment table. This is 3 number is available Mehul, and 5 number is available. This is a good working. This is a 2 record show. Inside this 2 record is a show. Good working. Let's this download, and successfully PDF download. Inside this 2 record is available 3335. Successfully 35 Mehul and Zohan 86 87 and 15 87. This date, card transfer, test not. Successfully all good working. This is a fine. PDF is a download good. This video is a done, and please step by step watch this video, otherwise lost of doubt your mind. The simple way, only simple way in this, please step by step write down. All good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.